So maybe you create a dashboard with a layout like this, and the current layout is mostly suitable for a PC screen that we're looking at right now. If you should want to open this on a smartphone, well, this is not a smartphone, it's just a browser that I made narrow to look like a smartphone. If you should open the same dashboard on your smartphone, it will look like this, and to the smartphone user it's very hard to see all the details here. Of course you can tilt your smartphone, but otherwise you'll probably need a different layout. So going back to the original dashboard, this one here in my target client, I can go into design mode, and then I can go to my layouts tab to add a new dashboard layout. And of course I can select the predefined mobile size, this one here. You can see it's 400 by 750 pixels. And if I simply click OK, you get a mobile portrait layout like this. And then you can start adding your objects from the object list into this layout. But actually, you're not constrained to this mobile portrait layout size. If we go into page settings, we can choose our own custom size. So for instance, if I make it considerably higher, like 1600 pixels high, and click OK, we get a very long page like this. And the idea here is that the smartphone user would then be able to scroll down through this page to see the individual objects. And furthermore, if I go into page settings again, I have this option on Open Fit to Page Width, which is actually one of the new things in Target 2019 Update 4. And when you have added all of your objects to this long page layout, you may end up with something like this. And then when you open this layout on your smartphone, again simulated by this narrow browser, it will then look like this. Notice how it automatically fits to page width due to the setting. And the smartphone user will then be able to scroll down through these objects to see each of those in more detail.